In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple filters in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing a complex data set or just trying to organize your information more effectively, the ability to apply multiple filters can make a world of difference. This can help you view only the data that matters to you, without distractions from irrelevant information. So, let's get started. First, open your Google Sheet. This is, of course, the crucial starting point for any data-driven task in Google Sheets. If you don't already have a specific sheet in mind, you can create a new one or open an existing spreadsheet where you'll be working. Make sure you have an internet connection, since Google Sheets works online, and access to the Google account where your documents are stored. Once you're into your spreadsheet, the next step is to select a range of cells in a column where you want to apply the filter. Now, when we talk about selecting a range, it's important to highlight not just a single cell, but multiple rows in one column that contain relevant data. Simply click and drag your cursor over the desired cells. If you want to select the entire column, click on the letter at the top of the column. Now, with your range selected, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of the page. Click on Data. This is where all sorts of options related to sorting and filtering your data await. It's essentially your gateway to managing how data is displayed and interacted with in your sheet. So, a quick click on Data prepares you to add some structure to your information. Next, you'll see an option that says, Create a filter. Click on this, and immediately you'll notice a change in your sheet layout. Small filter icons appear next to the header of each column. What's great about these filter icons is that you're not limited to just one filter. You can apply these filters to any field you choose. Once the filter is created, you can click on the small funnel icon next to the column headers to set specific criteria for your data. This allows you to, for example, show only rows that meet certain criteria, making it easier to focus on the data that matters most. If you're dealing with dates, numbers, or categorical data, there are tailoring options for each type. Finally, viewing your newly filtered data lets you work more efficiently. Assess whether the filtered results align with your expectations. If not, you can click on the filter icon to tweak your settings or add more filters as needed. Remember, you can always clear or remove filters to start fresh if your data needs shift. And there you have it. That's how you add and manage multiple filters in Google Sheets, streamlining your data to get the insights you need. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at filtering your data just the way you want it. Thanks for watching, and happy filtering.